I drank 1 cup of this root tea for 7 days. My results after 50. After the age of 50, many people begin noticing small changes in the body that were not there before. Energy feels lower in the morning, digestion becomes slower, bloating appears more easily, and the body sometimes feels heavier even without major weight gain. Some people wake up feeling puffy, while others notice stiffness, sluggishness, or a lack of freshness that seems difficult to explain. Most people immediately search for complicated supplements, expensive powders, or extreme detox plans promising fast results. But sometimes the most interesting habits are the simplest ones people ignored for years. One of those is dandelion root tea. For a long time, dandelion was treated like nothing more than a weed growing in gardens and roadsides. Yet traditional herbal practices used dandelion root for generations as a digestive supportive drink believed to help the body feel lighter and more balanced naturally. Today, many adults over 50 are becoming curious about it again. Not because it performs miracles overnight. Not because it cures disease. But because some people report feeling less bloated, more refreshed, and more comfortable after including it as part of healthier daily routines. This article explores what may happen when someone drinks 1 cup of dandelion root tea for 7 days after 50, and why this simple root continues attracting attention in the world of natural wellness. Why the body changes after 50. The body after 50 often behaves differently than it did years earlier. Metabolism naturally slows, digestion may become less efficient, and recovery from poor eating habits becomes harder. Foods that once felt normal can suddenly cause bloating, heaviness, or discomfort. Many people also begin retaining more water as they age. Puffiness around the face, swelling in the fingers, or a bloated stomach after meals becomes more common. Physical activity often decreases, sleep quality changes, and years of processed foods may gradually place more stress on digestion and circulation. Inflammation also becomes a larger factor. The body is constantly responding to stress, processed foods, sugar, poor sleep, lack of movement, and aging itself. Over time, this may contribute to feelings of heaviness, sluggishness, and reduced energy. This is why many people over 50 describe their body differently. Not necessarily sick, but heavier, slower, more tired. Sometimes the body is not demanding extreme solutions. Sometimes it is simply asking for gentler support. What is dandelion root tea? Dandelion root tea is made from the roasted root of the dandelion plant, which has been traditionally used in herbal wellness practices for centuries. Unlike the bright yellow flower most people recognize, the root has an earthy, slightly bitter flavor that many people compare to mild herbal coffee. Dandelion leaves and dandelion roots are used differently in traditional herbal practices, with the root often associated with digestion and liver-supportive traditions. The bitterness itself is important. Traditional cultures frequently used bitter foods and herbs to stimulate digestion naturally. Bitter flavors were believed to encourage digestive activity and help the stomach process food more comfortably. Today, many people have diets filled with sugar, salt, and ultra-processed foods while consuming very few naturally bitter foods at all. This is one reason herbal teas like dandelion root are attracting attention again, especially among older adults looking for gentler wellness routines. But balance matters. Dandelion root tea is not a miracle detox. It does not cure liver disease. It does not magically repair kidneys or melt fat overnight. It is simply a traditional herbal drink that may support digestion and hydration when combined with healthier habits. Day 1 to Day 2. The first changes some people notice. During the first couple of days, some people notice very little at all. Others report small subtle changes. One of the most commonly discussed effects is increased urination. Dandelion has traditionally been associated with mild natural diuretic properties, meaning some people feel they release more excess fluid during the day. This can sometimes create a lighter feeling in the body. Some people also report feeling less heavy after meals, especially if the tea replaces sugary beverages or processed drinks they normally consume. Warm liquids themselves may help digestion feel calmer and more soothing, particularly after large or oily meals. The experience often feels gentle rather than dramatic, and that is important to understand. Many people expect overnight transformations from natural remedies because social media promotes unrealistic expectations. Real health changes usually happen slowly through consistency and supportive habits. For some people, the first noticeable change is simply becoming more aware of hydration and digestion itself. Sometimes healthier routines begin with one small habit repeated consistently. Day 3 to Day 5. Why some people feel less bloated. By the middle of the week, some individuals begin reporting less puffiness or bloating, especially around the stomach area. Part of this may come from better hydration. Part may come from replacing sugary drinks with herbal tea. And part may come from improved digestion. Dandelion root contains naturally bitter compounds that have traditionally been associated with digestive stimulation. Bitter flavors may encourage digestive activity and help meals feel less heavy afterward. At the same time, many people unconsciously begin improving other habits while drinking herbal tea regularly. They may start eating more slowly, reducing processed snacks, or drinking more water throughout the day. This creates a combined effect. The body feels less overloaded, less inflamed, less stressed. And sometimes the biggest improvements happen not because one tea performs magic, but because the body finally receives less daily stress overall. Feeling lighter often begins with removing things that constantly burden digestion. Day 6 to Day 7. Energy, routine, and mindful habits. Toward the end of the week, many people begin noticing something interesting. The tea itself becomes part of a calming routine. And routines matter more than most people realize. Drinking one warm cup in the morning may encourage slower mornings, more mindful eating, or better hydration awareness throughout the day. Evening tea routines may help people feel calmer after dinner and reduce unnecessary late-night snacking. The psychological effect of healthy rituals is powerful. When people slow down, sit quietly, and care for themselves intentionally, digestion often improves naturally because stress levels decrease. This does not mean every effect comes directly from the tea itself. Lifestyle changes matter too. Sometimes people mistake healthier routines for miracle tea results, when in reality the body is responding to a combination of hydration, improved eating habits, reduced sugar intake, and calmer daily patterns. Consistency matters far more than intensity. The body usually responds better to gentle supportive habits maintained for months than extreme short-term detoxes followed by unhealthy routines again. Why dandelion root gets attention for digestion and liver support. Dandelion root has traditionally been associated with digestion and liver support for generations. Part of this reputation comes from its bitter compounds, which were historically believed to stimulate digestive processes and support the body's natural handling of fats and heavy meals. The liver itself plays a major role in metabolism and digestion. It helps process nutrients, supports energy balance, and assists the body in handling waste products naturally. But modern wellness trends often exaggerate this idea into unrealistic detox claims. The body already has natural detoxification systems through the liver, kidneys, digestive tract, lungs, and skin. No tea suddenly flushes years of toxins overnight. This is why balanced language matters. Dandelion root tea may support digestion. It may support hydration. It may help some people feel lighter and less bloated. But it is not a miracle cure. Healthy organs respond best to long-term healthy habits, not dramatic cleansing trends. The mistakes people make with herbal teas. One common mistake people make with herbal teas is assuming that if one cup feels good, several large cups must be even better. That mindset often leads to unnecessary problems. Excessive herbal tea intake may irritate sensitive stomachs, worsen dehydration, or create digestive discomfort in some individuals. Others add large amounts of sugar, flavored syrups, or sweet creamers that completely change the health effect of the drink itself. Another mistake is depending entirely on tea while keeping the rest of the lifestyle unhealthy. No herbal drink can fully compensate for poor sleep, processed foods, constant stress, lack of movement, and excessive sugar intake. The body needs overall support. Fiber, movement, hydration, better sleep, balanced meals, stress management. Herbal teas work best as supportive habits, not replacements for healthy living. Who should be careful with dandelion root tea? Although dandelion root tea is generally considered gentle for many people, some individuals should use caution. People with gallbladder problems, kidney disease, or certain digestive conditions should speak with a healthcare professional before consuming large amounts regularly. Because dandelion has traditionally been associated with mild diuretic effects, people already taking diuretic medications may also need caution. Some individuals may experience stomach irritation, allergies, or digestive discomfort, especially if they have sensitive digestive systems. Medication interactions are another important consideration. Certain diabetes medications or blood pressure medications may require extra awareness when introducing herbal products regularly. Natural does not always mean risk-free, and persistent symptoms should never be ignored. Severe digestive pain, ongoing swelling, unexplained fatigue, vomiting, or significant digestive changes deserve proper medical evaluation rather than self-treatment alone. How to make dandelion root tea properly. Dandelion root tea is usually prepared using roasted dandelion roots steeped in hot water for several minutes until the flavor becomes rich and earthy. Some people enjoy drinking it plain, while others add a small amount of cinnamon or fresh ginger for extra warmth and flavor. The taste is naturally slightly bitter, which is part of its traditional digestive appeal. Most people prefer avoiding excessive sugar because sweetening the drink heavily may reduce the overall benefit of replacing processed beverages in the first place. Some individuals enjoy it in the morning as part of a calming routine, while others prefer evening use after dinner when digestion feels heavier. Moderation is usually the best approach. Simple, consistent habits tend to work better than excessive short-term use. After 50, health often becomes less about extreme solutions and more about steady daily support. And sometimes the biggest changes do not come from dramatic transformations at all. They come from small habits repeated consistently. Drinking more water, eating less processed food, moving more often, sleeping better, reducing stress around meals, and occasionally enjoying simple traditional drinks like dandelion root tea that may help the body feel lighter, calmer, and more supported over time. Because healthy aging is rarely about discovering one magical ingredient. It is usually about giving the body gentle support every single day before small problems become bigger ones.